Hi guys, back with another video for you today. I've got Josh Meyer here with me from Imaginary Authors. I'm in his studio, by the way, and he is launching a new fragrance called Sundrunk. This one right here. I'm going to tell you all about this. He's going to tell you all about this. Plus, there are 2 candles that he's launched. We're going to talk all about these things coming right up. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian with Smelling Great Fragrance Reviews here in Portland, Oregon at the Imaginary Author Studio with Josh Meyer. Josh, tell us about Sundrunk. You're launching this right now.
Yeah.
In a couple days.
Sundrunk's the newest.
Where did you come up with the name, Sundrunk?
You know, this is the very first perfume that we made where the imagery and the name came before the fragrance. So every other time we've made fragrances, I make the perfume and then I send them to my partner, Shad, and we go storyboard it and talk about the colors and the potential imagery and the vibe and the tone and who's going to wear it. And with this one, we were working on candles. We were working on a hibiscus candle. And he sent over portions of the imagery and the name, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is too good. And the idea of a Neroli and Rhubarb.
I love Neroli.
Yeah, and the Rhubarb is really tart and fresh, and so to me, I mean, it's a whole unique thing that's like simple and wearable and yummy and interesting, but not too avant-garde that it's not something you want to just like spray liberally.
It's perfect for summer too.
Yeah, it's a good one.
So the name came before.
Yeah, it's the very first time that like I created the perfume for the imagery and the name.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what does Sundrunk mean?
Like drunk on the sun.
Kitty cat.
Sun
What's
drunk.
kitty cat doing?
Amy cat. Shop cat.
What's the cat's name?
Amy, baby Amy.
Baby Amy. Well, cool. So this launches in a few days.
Launches on July 18th.
July 18th. Guys, I just did a video about Neroli fragrances. So Neroli is an orange, basically orange blossom,
Yeah, orange
right?
blossom, yeah.
And you also have rhubarb note.
Yeah, it's a tart, sweet rhubarb. There's nothing. I mean, there's not a lot like it. But when the two come together, it's sort of when the Neroli and the rhubarb come together, it's sort of got a grapefruit tone to it.
Which I do pick up.
You pick that up.
Yeah, I totally do.
And then there's a little bit of honeysuckle, and then there's a rose accord that's bright and fresh. It doesn't come out rosy. We use rosewater as the accord name in the note list, but it just sort of is this sort of bright, floral, fresh experience. It's like almost refreshing and watery. And then as it dries down, the orange zest lasts forever. And it ties in with the rhubarb with a tartness that sort of masks like the base notes, like any kind of wood base notes is masked by this tart orange rhubarby. So it's sort of like the opening is Neroli and rhubarb together, and then the rhubarb is very strong for 20 minutes, or 45 if you're not sweating profusely like we are in this 90-degree weather.
Yeah, it's pretty hot today here.
But and then as it dries down, I mean, that orange pop comes through. It's great.
So the combo of the Neroli and the rhubarb does give it like a grapefruity effect.
Yeah.
So the other thing is the orange at the end in the dry down. So it's kind of like an orange lover's dream come true kind of a fragrance, or actually citrus, pretty much, because you're getting that grapefruity effect is really fun here.
Yeah, there's a little clementine too. Smell this.
Ooh,
isn't that great?
I love that. I love clementine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what made you decide to go in a fresh route or fresh? This is very happy scent.
Yeah. I mean, Sundrunk is so happy, and it's fun to make it, and it's fun to. I mean, when I got into fragrances, it was like the only thing that was interesting were these rich, heavy, dense ambers, animalics, and labdanum is still. But as I continue to make perfumes, I kind of want to make stuff for all different occasions, and Sundrunk is just
I also don't pick up a lot of the woody base in a lot of your fragrances. This is the least woody fragrance that I think I've smelled from your line.
Yeah, there's it's new. I mean, it's like entirely new and unique thing.
Cool. So tell us about the candles.
Candles. We've got the Abandoned Mansion, which is heavy, rich cedar and a tart quince note.
Mm-hmm. Can I smell?
Please. I love this.
Very woody.
Yeah.
And a bit fruity.
Yeah, a touch of fruit. The rich cedar is very pencil shaving and a little
Love that.
Yeah, a little hint of vanilla to kind of give the, which is what you get from like really old paperback books.
So when you burn this, what do you get mostly? Cedar or the fruity kind of a cedar?
Yeah, you get a really heavy, rich cedar. It's almost smoky. The cedar's so heavy, so it's cut with that tart sweet fruit.
And how much are the candles?
They're $65.
And where do people, just online on your website?
You can get it from a handful of boutiques, but yeah, online's the best place to order because we'll send you a bunch of stuff too.
Oh, cool. And you have a second candle. I like this one. It smells great. It's more of like a winter candle, perhaps, right?
Fall, winter. I mean, it's very fall. Like, find yourself in the. I imagine it as like an abandoned Detroit, like 1903 house.
I love the artwork. The Imaginary Authors artwork is awesome. So what's the other one?
And then the other one is Meet Me in the Meadow, which is linden and grapefruit and Pinot Gris.
Wow, very fresh.
And we just wanted a picnic in the park, and it's beautiful and easy to smell. It's wonderful.
Meet Me in the Meadow. I like that one.
Yeah.
And this one kind of reminds me a little bit of your fragrance.
The Soft Lawn.
Soft Lawn, yeah.
Which is tied together with that linden note.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Cool. And the thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is Josh is doing 15 ml bottle. Is it 15 ml?
They're 14.
14 ml bottles of Sundrunk.
They're a little more than 14, but I'm not.
You can't say 15.
I'm not going to overpromise it.
All right. So we have 14 ml Sundrunk bottles to give away. Also, is that true?
Yeah, let's do 5.
You want to do 5? Okay, 5. 15 or 5 14 ml bottles of Sundrunk. And what should we have them do to participate in the giveaway? What's their favorite orange fragrance, or you want to come up with something unique?
It's got to be food based.
Okay.
Yeah, let's hear your favorite cocktail.
All right. What's your favorite orange cocktail, or just any
cocktail?
All right. Tell us what your favorite cocktail is to qualify for the giveaway, and please put your state down as well. This is only open to USA residents, correct?
US, so we'll ship any,
Continental US.
Yeah.
Cool. Have anything else to mention or say? What's coming in the future? Will you bring back an Air of Despair? I always ask you that.
There's so many people that want that. Yeah, I would love to bring it back, and it's a possibility. If you do love Air of Despair, please try Slow Explosions, which is superior, in my opinion.
Okay.
Not yours?
No, I love Slow Explosions, but I also like Slow Explosions minus the apple and the the rose.
Order Sundrunk. Grab a sample. We're gonna do $3 for samples for the first week that they're up, so that anyone that wants to try it can try it at like basically cost, and I hope you love it.
Yeah, it's a really good one. It's perfect for summer. Very refreshing, very happy, fun times in the summer heat, right?
Yeah, it's happy.
Yeah, it's happy.
Like joyful. Fragrance.
Yeah, totally. All right, guys, if you have any questions or comments about Sundrunk or the 2 candles, please list below. To participate in the giveaway, make sure to put down your favorite cocktail. We have 5 14 mils of Sundrunk to give away. Other than that, please like this video, please share it, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll be back with more videos.
And me
soon.
on Facebook and Instagram.
Follow Josh, Imaginary Authors, or his other account if you like food. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Goodbye.